For a long time, my nights felt heavier than they needed to be. My mind stayed active, my shoulders stayed tight, and I knew something had to change. A big thank you to the brand for gifting this item for an honest look. Hi, I'm Emmy from Sandochka. I actually started using this triple magnesium months before the brand sent me this free sample. I was already taking 2 capsules every night because it became one of those tiny habits that actually helped me settle down. When the brand reached out, it gave me a good chance to share what it's been like for me. And one thing I've liked from the beginning is how gentle this formula feels. It's 300 milligrams from 3 forms: glycinate, malate, and citrate. And they're all chelated, which just means they're easier for the body to take in. And because it's not diluted with magnesium oxide, it never felt harsh or heavy on my stomach. Over time, I noticed a steadier rhythm at night. I take my 2 capsules, drink a bit of water, and it's like my body recognizes the signal to start winding down. My thoughts soften, my muscles let go, and everything feels a bit lighter. It's become one of the easiest parts of my night, and the nights I skip it definitely feel different. Thanks for watching. Take care, and see you next time. I appreciate you being here with me. If you want to stick around for more, go ahead and subscribe and maybe leave a like or share if you feel like it. And if you want to check out the product, the link will be down in the description. See you in the next one.